Periods are super uncomfortable, especially if it occurs in the inconvenient times. There may be some times in a month when you wish your periods a little earlier. This may be due to a special day, event, or much awaited trip. In moments like this, you may end up wishing if you have your periods earlier. If you wonder how to make your periods come early, let me share with you my favorite period tea recipe. This tea is very effective in getting your periods earlier. So let us start making this. First, in a saucepan, we are going to take 2 cups of water. Next, we are going to switch on the stove. Now let us see what are the ingredients we have to add in this tea. So first ingredient is cumin. So we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Cumin contains apiol and myristicin, which causes uterine contractions. A mixture of carom seeds, jaggery and cumin is very effective. Next, we are going to take fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon. Experts recommend fenugreek seeds to induce periods as it induces motion and contractions in uterus. Next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric stimulates blood flow in uterus and pelvic region. Turmeric has antiplasmodic effect on the body, which expands uterus and induces menstruation in the body. Fourth ingredient is 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Ajwain. As I mentioned earlier friends, cumin and carom concoction is very effective in getting periods early because both of them have heat producing properties in them. So it is a hot food. So if you consume it, it produces heat in the body and it induces periods faster. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Jaggery powder is also very effective in inducing periods. When it is combined with heat-producing seeds like sesame, carom or cumin seeds, it increases uterine contractions and thereby causing periods earlier. So jaggery not only improves your flavor of this tea, also it is a heat producing content. You can also add ginger if you like. Ginger also is very effective in producing heat inside the body. Now you're going to let this mixture boil for 5 minutes or until it becomes half. So 2 cups becomes 1 cup and then you're going to drink it. So let it boil. Meanwhile, I'm going to share with you other ingredients or other factors that can help you to produce periods faster. Other than this tea, you can also drink pomegranate juice. Juice of pomegranate seed is also helpful in inducing periods. So you have to start drinking this 15 days before your regular date and you're going to get your periods faster. You can also rely upon vitamin C rich foods. Even vitamin C induces or helps you to get periods faster. Sesame seeds or til is also very effective in inducing heat inside the body and that results in faster periods. Dates are also one such ingredient you can use to get your periods faster. Dates are known to generate heat inside the body, and eating dates all day in well measured quantity to induce periods before your due date is also very effective. Pineapple also is a heat generating food, and eating pineapple before your periods also induces uterine contractions inside the body that leads to early period. Along with this, proper diet and exercise and relaxation techniques like yoga and massage and aromatherapy is also very effective in giving you relaxation, and this relaxation leads to your uterine contractions and also helps you getting period faster. Now you can see that it's also now you can see that the tea has reduced into half. So you're going to switch off the flame and the concoction is ready to drink. This tea is very effective. As I've already mentioned, you have to start drinking this tea from 10 days before or 15 days before according to before your last period date. So you can expect getting your period between 25th day to 30th day. So you can prepone it by 5 days. Even if you're suffering from regular periods, this is a very effective remedy to get your periods on time. That's anywhere between 28 day to 38 day. So drink this magic period tea 10 days early or empty stomach early in the morning. Very effective in preponing your periods. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.